Are you a real estate agent feeling overwhelmed by leads and struggling to keep track of everything? Then let me show you how Follow Up Boss transformed my business and can do the same for you in just a minute and a half. First, let's get those leads organized. Follow Up Boss makes it super easy to import leads from all your different sources, like Zillow, Realtor.com, or your website. No more manually entering information. The Smart Lists feature is a lifesaver. You can create custom lists based on different criteria, like lead source, property interest, or stage in the sales process. This allows you to target your communication. Speaking of communication, let's talk automation with Follow Up Boss. You can set up automated email and SMS sequences to nurture leads, send appointment reminders, and stay top of mind. Just create your templates and let the system do the work. Now, for tracking your progress, the Deal Pipeline feature gives you a clear visual overview of where each lead is in the sales process. You can easily move leads through the different stages, from initial contact to closing the deal. Never miss a follow-up again. Follow Up Boss allows you to create tasks and reminders for each lead, ensuring that you stay on top of your communication and provide exceptional customer service. Finally, let's talk about analytics. Follow Up Boss provides you with detailed reports and analytics on your lead generation, conversion rates, and team performance, allowing you to identify what's working and what needs improvement. So, if you're ready to streamline your real estate business and close more deals, give Follow Up Boss a try. You can find a link in the description below for a free trial. Thanks for watching.